want to learn how to make this bow, stick till the end, watch till the end. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. Let's get to the tutorial. Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a bow. How to make a bow with this fabric. I'm going to be making a bow for this with this fabric. Please, if you have any question, ask in the comments section. And for the first bow, we are going to be taking this measurement, 13 inches in length, and the width will be 12 inches. Length is 13 inches and width is 12 inches. Now to cut it on our fabric, to cut it on the fabric, make sure you put your fabric on fold. Place your pattern on it. Put your fabric on fold and place your pattern. Put your fabric on fold and make sure that what you have is 13 inches by 12 inches. Now I will cut it. Make sure it's on fold. Now I'll cut it. After cutting it, I'll cut off this place. After cutting it, get a stay and stay one side. Put a stay on one side. One side. To mark the longer one, we are going to measure the length you want. For the length, for the longer one, I'll be taking 19. Okay, let me take 18. For the longer bow, I'll be taking length 18. Depending on where you want it to stop, I'll reel it out. There will be a straight line to connect. And for this part, I'm going to slant it. I'm going to slant it. I will slant it. Then from this part, I will take how many inches I want. I will take how many inches I want for the upper part. On this part, I will go up by 6 inches. I'll go up by 6 inches and I will connect it. Connect it, and this is what I'm going to cut. And I will cut. see the pattern I have. I'm going to have two of this, one on this side, one on the other side. I had to cut it on my fabric. I'm going to place some fabric on fold. Place your fabric on fold. Put the pattern on it. The open side, this side that is going to be open will be on this side. That's how it's going to be. Now I'm going to cut it. Leave for my sewing allowance. So this is what I have for one part. I'll cut another one because it's going to be two. I'll cut another one. You still put it on fold. So you open it up, put your stay, your soft stay on it. You have something like a comb. Open it up, put your soft stay on it. And when you place it, this is how it will be. Place it, this is how it will be. You attach your bow on it. Use your stay, put on it. When you finish, make sure you iron down your stay. Iron down your stay. Iron your stay. Iron your paper stay. Now you're going to fold it. You're going to fold it like this. I'm going to fold it and stitch it. You're going to fold it like this, stitch it before you turn it to the right side. You're going to turn it from up here. The same goes for this one. And for this side, we're going to stitch it by the side. After sewing it, turn it to the right side. Turn it to the right side. Sew this one too. Sew a piece of cloth that you used to fold it and turn it to the right side. Now you're going to fold this. We're going to fold this, hold it together, face this side. Now you're going to place it on it. Before you do that, you stitch these two together. You stitch these two together, then attach it like this. Stitch these two, stitch this down, make a little opening, not too wide, then stitch it down. Stitch this down, put it together, take your stitch this down, take your bow, fix this and stitch it down, fix it, stitch it down at the back, stitch these two down. After stitching it down, this is what you have. Now you're going to place this on top, use your needle and attach it, and this is what you have. Use your needle, attach it, and this is what you have. Please, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Like, share and comment on my videos. I love you. Thank you.